This is an overview of week 2. As in each week, you'll want to start by going to your learning module and choose, obviously, module 2, which talks about exploring your topic and conducting some preliminary research. In the learning module, you'll step through a number of activities to help you begin your research and explore your topic. One of the focuses, the main focus this week, is for your writing notes. 2.2 milestone 1 writing notes, and here you'll see a number of questions about your topic, specifically the argument, key points, audience, goals, resources, and where you'll place evidence. You'll answer each of the questions in these boxes, and then when you complete all of this, you download it, and then you should revise it, proofread it, and put it into a cohesive, polished manner. Even though it's notes, you want to answer in full sentences. And it asks, what is your argument? Describe it, and what's your opinion? And how does it relate to your major? It asks about key points, 3 reasons that support your argument. And it talks about your audience, and your audience isn't me, your instructor, your peers. Your audience is those people you want to influence by your essay. So if you're writing about the prison system, perhaps, then you want to convince people who may have some authority or some power to change the way things are done. If you're talking about accounting and accounting practices, then you would perhaps want to focus, your audience might be other accountants, and then you'll want to talk about your goal, list potential resources, and those should be specific. It's not the internet and magazines. They should be specific websites and specific articles from journals. And then you align those articles. You should have a piece of research to support each of your key points. And then finally it asks about strategic placement of evidence, and that means where will you put the research in your essay. So I want to share with you just quickly a very good example of the writing notes. And here you see, first, just notice that it's formatted in complete sentences and paragraphs, and it specifically says my argument is armed guards should be in public schools. I'm a human service major. And then it goes on to identify 3 key points. Armed guards can help identify students at risk, point 1. Point 2, the presence of guards can help make the school safer. Point 3, guards are usually former military and trained in safety. My audience is, my goal for this essay is, here's 3 key pieces of evidence, 3 research. And she specifically aligns the research. My first key point is supported by this article. My second key point, that they're safer when they're near, is supported by this article. And third, and then finally, I need evidence in each of my body paragraphs, 1 key point per paragraph, a claim, so on. So this is a really good example of exactly how the writing notes should appear. Finally, just a quick word about the creating keywords. When you search, a lot of what you get, the response, the answers, the articles, depend on what you ask for. So this helps you to think of different ways, and perhaps if you're not finding what you want, you need to change the key words, the search terms you're using. And then last but not least, you're led to the opposing viewpoints database in the Shapiro Library, which will be required for your final essay. So a lot of great things here, a lot of hard work. I'm sure you're up to it. It's a good step ahead. If you need help, Let me know. Take care.